Yes, yes. Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen again. Yes, another day. You know, Memorial Day weekend. Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Yeah, man. We'll touch the beach tomorrow, Saturday. Yeah. Yeah, man. And hey, this is business thing.
This shit. Hey, you recording? I'm recording.
Business thing right there, sir.
Chef Keegan.
That's it.
Check out his YouTube channel.
Tell him your name. Tell him your name.
Oh, you already know. Business thing is your boy Lando, and I am the man.
The man, though. All right. So, you see any business thing want to need? Yeah, man. Just
I want to get
link him up. I'll put his hashtag, his handle in the video. You see? So, yeah, man. But a crazy thing this weekend. We'll enjoy ourselves. And birthday weekend, by the way. You know? So, you know, big shout out to him. Happy birthday, happy earth strong. You know, more life, more wealth, happiness. You see? So we just there, man. I go on easy. So go on big up on the damn self. He is the man, though. I am the man, though. Yo, Keegan's Kitchen. Peace. This is the boss there.
Excuse me.
This is the boss, right? I say, you know.
Where say Dad if you get makeup on your shirt?
Swigger, which car is down in front yard?
No, the car you walk past. Where you walk from?
Yeah,
so which car you walk past?
The man, no?
No.
Yo.
No, you're not going to
Yo, are the big bosses, you know?
No.
Yo.
No.
So I go on to YouTube, people, you know?
Eh?
So I go on to YouTube.
YouTube, you
Yeah,
already
man.
know for the...
You see, Keegan's
I already
Kitchen.
know for the Keegan's
Yes, man.
Kitchen.
Where we are going later?
Chef God.
Where we are going now?
The baddest thing, we are going down Miami.
Where place name?
Look,
Yeah.
We're going to celebrate
Yeah.
Lando, Kingdom
He was
Business.
calling us.
You see it?
It's Dukunus and Doctors.
One of them, Dukunus. Dukunus. I don't know if I say it right, Dre, but I see him place where you talk about.
Hey, all I know
Wifey.
is love. All right, we got everybody. Positivity.
Yeah, man.
Friends and family.
Which car that?
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or...
We're there, you know. That's it. We reach already. Huh? I eat up on you, man. You know, beautiful wife there, I say, you know, man. So. Yeah. Huh? You don't know. We're down in that place, you know. You see, what we do in that parking lot right now in Miami, Wynwood, wherever we're there. Somewhere down there, so. Yeah, so.
We're not the south.
Go eat some food right now, because I'm hungry. I'm not lying. We're all
Hungry I kill.
right place in Dukunus.
Dukunus.
Yeah, man, Jamaican spot. Check it out and see what them I work with. We're going to give you know, some honest feedback how the food is. If the food nice, if the food nasty or whatever. But from the reviews, them the food good. So, I'm not worry about that. You see?
Righteous.
So,
Come righteous.
see birthday you, that's all. You know, family. Yeah, man, but yo. Orlando. Look here. You know, look what going on. Yeah, man. What? What's Jamaica there, Orlando? You left your woman and your wife? Eh? Yes, guys, so just take a quick look, you know, on the menu. This is what their menu look like. Dinner menu.
Yeah.
And the bar.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture.
So I'm going to speak with the appetizer.
I'm gonna order appetizers for everybody, so it'll be complimentary for everybody, but they're supporting Orlando's birthday.
Lando the Mando, you know?
I am the man, though.
Yeah, man. So that means we don't need to order, we want appetizer then. No?
I know a lot of people.
Hey. guys. So the callaloo and ackee rolls is something else. Me I tell you, it thing bad. Me not lie. Yo, Dre. What do you think about the saltfish fritters?
I like it.
You like it?
Texture is good. Flavor is good. Well seasoned.
Yeah.
I mean, would never guess the fritters go with spicy.
Like an aioli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They really set it up. The balance to it.
Everything just combine
it
perfect
has a kick to it.
together.
It does have a kick to it.
Yeah, man.
So, would I say yeah.
looking like whatever? Yo, the guy feeling like okay, whatever.
Not too greasy.
Yeah.
Not too hard.
He looking like yeah.
Perfect balance.
Yeah.
Would I give at least an 8 out of 10?
And
Next year.
8 out of 10.
listen, me very picky when it comes to food and drink. But here now.
Yeah,
I'll give
that's awesome.
that 10 out of 10.
You see the cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's-
And then knows the cheese
it's
going
very
in
good.
there. But it's good.
Because it have a nice little zing to it.
Yeah.
It's me I say,
Just
everything combined together, dog, is perfectly blended together, man. I tell you. Yeah, man. But hey, we're not going to do much right now. You see, Dre?
Not right now. Not now.
When we get to the main entree, we're going to make them know what's going on.
Listen.
You see?
You know the pot look at level, but it's alright.
Oh, hell
You
no.
know the pot look at level.
It ain't on my
Alright.
level yet, but you
But
know,
it's alright.
I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. It's me I say, give credit where credit is due. Yeah, man. What go on? Yo, the man, how you drink?
J to the B.
Alright, man, I drink JB with ice. JB and ice alone. And man, I don't know what go on with them, you know, but I can't do that. I can't do that, guys. You know, he's a beast. He's different. Old man drink, you know. Them man are aromas. You see, I can't do them something there. I'm gonna try to do it. Coming on vomit. Yo,
Yo, no, youngster just reaching. You see,
What's
eat
that?
some herbs, you know, got to have some fever grass.
fever grass you drink.
Cover.
So yeah, how you speak so? Yo, Landino. See boss I'm gonna go and edit some video, you know. Boss in the lab, you know. Cause he's a small YouTuber as well, you know, as I am.
I'm a big YouTuber. Don't listen to him.
No disrespect, bro. But I'm just saying he's a upcoming YouTuber, you know. So he's editing his videos right now, and you know, yes, me I say.